show you how to plant gardening.
What are the materials that you are going to use?
Toys, eggs, plants, and rocks.
Soil also. Very important. Kindly name the plants. Name the plants. What else?
Spider plant.
Okay, what else?
Bermuda grass.
Bermuda grass.
How about it?
Lucky bamboo.
Lucky bamboo.
What else? That is lucky bamboo.
Lucky bamboo too.
Boston fern.
Money plant.
Okay, money plant. Okay, you put the plants on the pot creatively. Okay.
This is plant.
Yeah. Money plant. Okay, so you start planting.
And that's put it on the dipper.
Put a deep hole. Then, okay. Make sure that the plant will grow. Okay, next. Okay. Okay, start. Okay, continue. Twist. Careful. Plant carefully. Okay, start. Third, start planting here in this place. Okay, faster. Deep hole. And then you put the snake plant there. Put a snake plant there. Okay, start. Okay, put the snake plant. Okay, that's one. Snake plant. Slowly and carefully. Okay, snake plant is one of the plants that release oxygen during nighttime. That's why we need to have snake plant at home. Okay, another plant. Okay, slowly and carefully. Okay, that plant, that is lucky bamboo plant. Okay, thirdly, you put your lucky bamboo plant. Okay, you put your lucky bamboo plant. Yeah, that one. Okay. Okay, faster. Lucky bamboo plant attracts good luck and health. That's why we need also to have lucky bamboo plant at home.
The lucky bamboo's collected.
Okay.
There's a tip.
You put also the lucky bamboo plant on the other side. Okay, faster. Okay, thirdly, you put the lucky bamboo plant there on the other side. Okay. Okay, put a hole, a deep hole. Sige. Okay, next. Sige, next. Deep hole. So are you going to put the house of Jollibee there? Okay. Okay, next. Okay, next plant. What plant is that?
Huh?
That is Boston fern plant. Okay. Boston fern plant is useful in removing harmful air pollutants from the environment. It improves humidity levels by restoring moisture to the air naturally. That's why we need to have Boston plant fern at home. Okay. Next. spider plant. Okay, faster. Put a deep hole. You put a deep hole, and you put the spider plant there properly. Spider plant also is effective in removing. Okay, so we need to have that at home. Okay, next. That is money plant, or it is also called pothos or money maker plant. It is known as air purifier, and it attracts positive energy too. That's why it is also good to have that kind of plant at home. The last, you put the wave of love plant. Wave of love. It sings love of the family. Okay. So after. So kindly arrange it very well. After planting, you put a design. Okay, so you use now your materials in designing your dish garden. Okay, you use now the rocks. Sturdy, where are you going to put the rocks? Planting. So now you put a design using your toys. Let us try to see if we can design it creatively using your creative skills. Okay, use your creative skills in designing. Okay, after. Creative now. What is that? Okay. And what is that? What is that? Okay. Then, oh, who is that? Jollibee. So that is Jollibee's place. Okay, Jollibee's park. Favorite place, the Jollibee. Do you miss Jollibee? Because we're not able to go out now for a dinner because we stay at home. Why are we staying at home? Because of that COVID-19. Okay, so it's very scary because of the coronavirus. Well, we have to pray so that the coronavirus will be gone. That's why we need to stay at home and do many things. We can learn a lot. We can do many things while staying at home. Wow, I see your work. I see your work. water there. Curdy, kindly get that one. Okay, so let us try to see. Okay, your product. Wow, this is the dish garden of twins. Oh, very nice, very creative. Oh, how about the Bermuda grass? I think you forgot to put the Bermuda grass. Yeah, I put the Bermuda grass on top of the soil. Okay, you put the Bermuda grass on top of the soil. Okay. You put first the Bermuda grass, Zena, before you water it. Better to put first the Bermuda grass. Okay. Put the Bermuda grass
And put the
properly.
butterfly here and the egg. Butterfly leaves the egg.
Do not cover the rocks. Do not cover. You can put the Bermuda grass at the side. At the side. Use your hand, 30. At the side. Okay. Wow. So that is very creative. Good job. Wow. Good job. Very creative. Wow. One of the life skills. Using creativity in doing any task. Okay, very good. Congrats! Congratulations, my twinnies. I'm so proud of you. Watch and subscribe our videos.
Stay
Stay safe.